everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an A4 laminator, and let me open this up here. I've got an address label on the top, just so I don't want you to see it here, but okay. So this is the inside of the box and what it looks like here. It comes with an instruction guide, comes with some lamination papers, I guess A4 size, comes with the lamination machine right in here. Okay, so let me put this aside. So this is going to be everything for it. So this is what it looks like here. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in and get it going while we explain the rest of it here and find something that we want to laminate. So let me do this. Okay. I'm going to have to move closer to my outlet. Okay, it's currently plugged in, and I can go cold and hot. We're going to turn it to hot. Okay, so now we have it heating up. I'll aim you guys down a little so you'll be able to see this as we do it. Okay, so here is the laminator. So it's got our different things here. We have, I guess, away kids. What does it say here? I don't know what those things are. Oh, it says keep it away from hair, keep it away from kids, keep it away from metal, and keep it away from your tie. I guess if you're wearing a tie. I don't think I would use a tie ever, but I guess if I was. What is this? This looks like some sort of cutter. I guess it would be so I can cut things down to size. And here are the lamination sheets. I guess I can cut my lamination sheets down to size. But let me go and we'll try to laminate something here. So this is what the sheet looks like here. Let me close that up. And let me go see what I can laminate. I gotta go find something to laminate. Let's see. I'll be right back. Let me go find the lamination sheets here and we will laminate it. So here we go. I don't know which side goes which, but we will put it in there, like right into the center of here. Okay, so and there it is, sucking in the picture. So we'll see how this turns out here in a second. Oh, I gotta move it here. Sorry, I'm running on a short cord. But you get the idea. It's sucking it through right now and should be laminating it. So you can see it kind of looks a little blurry there, but then when it comes through, it's melting everything through. So it should be nice and melted and a good solid piece. Here it comes. And there it is. So check this out. So it really did a great job. So you saw it was like kind of fuzzy around the edges originally. And now it made it nice and clear and all laminated. So now I have a nice laminated picture. I can go run this underwater and it'll still be a nice picture. So how cool is that? So super neat. I like this laminator. It works great. And I can just turn it off there. And then it's ready for next time. Thumbs up for sure.